got the races going on.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah. Okay.
This your boy Zay TRD, bring y'all a whole nother video. Ooh, that's a nice Mini Cooper down there. Y'all might see it, I don't know. But anyway, man, let's hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you ain't subscribed. Run my playlist on my channel, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, let's link up a Roze, DreamChasin Gio, Hellcat Migo, you know, Ayo B'Sway. Most likely I'm gonna see MobbGenius TV, Hezzy and Izzy, you know what I'm saying, the photographers, you know. I had all the links in my bio, you know what I'm saying. I got all the links in my bio. But yeah, man, I'm gonna cut the camera on when I get to this meet. But you know what I'm saying. In the meantime, you know, I'm about to make this little drive, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, catch y'all a little bit. Still, BT Roze, we back on the scene, you know what I'm saying.
Yep.
Been a long time since I seen my family, you know what I'm saying.
I know. They been hiding from us.
Nah. Just be on the ground, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, dropping them videos.
Almost every day, man. But anyway, subscribe to Roze, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know who this is. She helped my channel a whole lot, you know what I'm saying? But smash that like button, subscribe to her channel. Link in the description always, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, peace. See the cat candy on this thing, man. Y'all see the cat candy. Subscribe to Roze, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see that cat candy, man. Good old cotton candy. Ooh, wait, look at Roze's car, man. They got that good old cotton candy. Ooh, wait, love that car, man. See these boys pulling in, man. Pulling. Just makes this good old graffiti wall, man. Yes, indeed. About to be lit. Got cops all over the place, but I think we good, man. I think we good. Anyway, subscribe to Hellcat Migo drinking that Gatorade. Got DreamChasin Gio over there, man. Gio, this crazy rap. I seen it on the channel first, man. This mug is crazy. Got the lightning everywhere. Lightning everywhere. Like this. Like that. Subscribe to DreamChasin Gio, man. Yeah, I'll see you. Got some more merch?
I got a order.
Roze.
Jay, you can wear this one. You wanna wear that shirt?
Yeah, I'll see everybody, man. We parked all sideways everywhere, man. Yeah, I see a snake on this thing. With the lights on, man. Got Roze, you know what I'm saying? Roze got Hellcat Migo, long time seeing this car, man. I ain't seen this car in a long time. The sinister Hellcat Migo, man. Got my car, of course, looking pretty, clean today. Real clean, man. I get it up today. Y'all see her, man. Subscribe. Hellcat Migo got the Hell tank, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and subscribe. Y'all see us out here, man. Man, this thing crazy. Got the reflector wrap on there. Y'all see this thing, man. That is crazy, dog. That is crazy.
Can he have an employee? Like any employees?
That's a Mopar.
You just got a new battery? Can you just
He just got that
explain the whole story?
Yes, sir. Y'all see the bike bus? Y'all see what they're doing out here, man, with the bike bus, man. Y'all see him with the bike bus. That thing, man. I got this thing pulling up too, man. That's crazy. Y'all see that sky backpack, man. Got the reflective decals on there. 392 Flacco. Go ahead and do the Instagram, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that thing nasty, dog. I like that. Got like a camo with graphics on it, man. That's different. I like that. I like that. Got the camo spikes on that thing. Y'all see them spikes? Y'all see them spikes, man. Woo wee. Got the camo on that thing. That thing crazy. Got everybody coming through. You gonna see, man. We gonna see. Y'all see I'm taking pictures over here for the gram, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see us doing that big old flex, you know what I'm saying? Got the RT over here, man. I got the Mustangs. Got more cops over there. I got all type of stuff going on, man. Got all types of stuff going on. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. Yes, sir. Woo, wait. I see the lowriders, man. Uh oh, that drives on. Okay. Okay. Oh, Lord. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Y'all see the lane hogs rolling through, man. Y'all see the lane hogs rolling through.
Him again? Can't catch him.
Yes, sir. Y'all see.
Where the street ladies at? They over there? Yes, sir.
Y'all see these boys. Boy, got the GoPro on, got the nice wheels on that thing. It was crazy. Y'all see that thing. It was crazy. Got these boys over here, man. They got the wide body on bags. That is nasty, dog. Them are nasty. All these bad things, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. Got the Mustangs. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I see all type of stuff going on, man. Got the ice cream truck.
Shit going on, man. Stop playing.
Yes, sir.
What the money look like?
Y'all see us, man. Y'all see us, man. Y'all see Houston car scene, man. Y'all see us. So long, like the charge.
What's up? Yes, sir.
Subscribe to the channel. Yes, sir.
To the channel, bro. You feel me?
Yes, sir.
Going on 2020 type
Yes,
shit.
sir. Took pictures, mate. Y'all see these boys. Boys in the cam gang, y'all see them XST Luxury Edition, you know what I'm saying? Them all clean. Yeah, y'all see them, man. Y'all see these boys. Y'all got the squad over here, man. Y'all see us, man. She didn't notice on the video. She didn't notice yet. Y'all see it. She's on the video though. Right? Oh man. Oh man. These boys. Yes sir. Them boys leaning, boy. Y'all see them boys leaning. Oh, he dropped the top. Y'all see them boys, man. Got this good old Toyota, got the low life again. Y'all know, y'all see them boys. Look at them boys, man. Y'all see them. Y'all see them. But yeah, man, we just out here chilling, man. It's hot outside, got some good shade, but you know, we're out here just chilling. Good old Sunday, Monday. Jibbing up, putting makeup on or something. I don't know what's going on. Hey. But we out here, man. We out here.
Trying to find a parking spot?
Y'all see all the Mopars, man. Y'all see the slabs? Y'all see the slabs? Y'all see these boys? Got the candy red paint. Got the candy red paint, you know what I'm saying? With the white. Y'all see these boys, man? Y'all see them boys? Beautiful slabs, man. Clean.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
These boys riding clean. Oh, Lamborghini Aventador. Oh my goodness. Y'all see this thing? This thing crazy. This blue thing. Ayo B'Sway, man, go subscribe. Yes, sir. What's going on, y'all?
With it, baby.
Check the stuff out, man.
We out here, man.
Yes, sir.
It's too hot out here, baby.
Y'all see these boys, man? This nasty Camaro. I ain't about to go on the street. Get that. But y'all see the other Camaros? You know what I'm saying? Got Camaros, a Cadillac. I don't know what the Lamborghini went. Them motherfuckers playing on the Aventador. Y'all see everybody posted, man. Y'all just out here posted, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see the cars, man. Y'all see this Batmobile looking thing? Okay. Oh, man. Got Ghosty G8, man, pulling through. Got Ghosty G8. Y'all hear that cam?
On here, my boy channel, man. Like, comment, subscribe to his channel. This year, next year's after that, man. It's our year, man. Soon, collab coming. I'm coming back on the YouTube sooner or later. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I'm coming back out with, but you know, we back in with it.
Yes, sir.
Real, man.
Yes, sir. Subscribe to our channel, HoustonMade Woo, man.
Alright, Simone Joker TV. Y'all go subscribe.
Y'all go subscribe to him. Y'all see him out here, man. Out here. That one they call right here, you know, got the Joker right here, Destroyer Joker, man. Go on there and subscribe to their channel, Simone Joker TV, you know what I'm saying? Oh, got the new wheels on that thing, y'all see it. Destroyer Joker. He probably got this Instagram link to YouTube, you know what I'm saying? But y'all see them boys, man, y'all see them. Y'all see them.
Who's exactly Simone, man? Make sure y'all stay tuned. I got some heat coming dropping this week, man.
Yes,
Literally this week, so y'all
Yes,
go
sir.
subscribe.
Go and subscribe to him, man.
What it is, man, you know who it is, your boy the Whip Connoisseur, man, out here on this normal daily Sunday shenanigans, out here at the Graffiti wall, checking out all these Mopars, man. You know, be here about another 10, 20, then we gonna head to Homestead, you know where I'm home at, man.
Yes, sir.
Go down there, catch these slabs, these 83s, 84s
yeah.
rolling, man. You
Yes,
know
sir.
it.
Y'all subscribe to our channel, man. He got all the crazy. Ooh, wait. Y'all see that graffiti thing. But anyway, subscribe to his channel, man. Because he got all the crazy slab
We ain't doing
content.
nothing but out here supporting everybody and what they doing, man. So
Yes, sir.
subscribe to me, subscribe to Zay, subscribe to everybody else you see in this live, in this video, man.
Yes, sir.
We all just trying to do what we do out here, man.
Yes, sir. We all eating, bro.
Hey, we all eat.
You going along the ride with the YouTubers?
Over here, they ain't got no cars on this side. But y'all see the photo. They got a Tesla down there, too, though. I guess I'll go walk all the way around. For y'all. But y'all see what's going on at the graffiti wall in Houston. They got everything. Oh, since we have to subscribe to my bro, Hellcat Migo, man.
Subscribe.
Let's get him to 800 subs, man. Let's get him to at least 800 subs, man.
800.
Yes, sir.
Actually 1,000, but
Road to 1,000. We all
Start
is,
at
man. Hey, man. We all here getting this content for y'all. Y'all see this Tesla, though? Y'all see this Tesla, though? Ooh, wee. Yeah. Hellcat Migo road to 1,000, man. Get him to 1,000 subs. Cause Hellcat about to be rolled to 1,000 too, man.
Let's start a race, man. Who's gonna get to 1,000 first? Myself or the Hellcat?
Uh-oh.
Right now it's at 900 horsepower. I'm at what? 700?
Yep.
If that's 700.
700 something.
Give me that. Give me the 700. Give me 800 subs. Let's try to beat this.
Anyway, man, let's get his channel to 1,000 subs right now. Link in my description, man. I'm gonna put up in the top of my description. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, got a beautiful car, powerful. You know, more insane.
Don't forget that giveaway, man. TK's Garage. Go follow that, man.
Go follow TK's Garage.
Go look
subscribe.
at his video to find out more info on how
to be part of that giveaway. 2 cars and $5,000.
$5,000 cash. And it's all free,
It's easy.
too.
It's free for the free 99.
Free 99, man. Just free. Just subscribe to everybody's channel, leave a comment, and you in that thing, you know what I'm saying? Salute to TK's Garage, you know what I'm saying? But we out here at the Sunday Fun Day. Y'all see what's going on, man. Pinky. SRT Pinky, man. Y'all see him, man. Got the Pinky. Nice Lexus right there, man. They got a BMW M3 over there, though, somewhere. I'm trying to see if it's coming down this way. If not, I'm deleting this clip.
Oh, no.
Oh, there you go, Fast Cat. Yes, sir. Y'all subscribe to his channel, man. A Fast Cat. Is that red window tint? Oh, man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Got ice cream 5.7. Banging too. Out here. Yes, sir. Got a group photo shoot over here. Y'all see these boys? Yes, sir. Y'all see this SRT Hellcat? Scat Pack? Yeah, that's Bentley clean, man. Tell them y'all, like that Bentley.
You need a Mopar.
I do need a Mopar. You gonna fund my channel? I got a Hellcat today. You know, I ain't the money. I also watched my review on those on my channel, man. I drove Mo Hellcat. I killed that thing, man.
Yeah.
Y'all see this wide body, man. I see you got the races going on. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Okay. 350 then pulled up, man. Alright, y'all. That's gonna conclude this video for today, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Leave a comment. I love all the comments, man. Leave a comment, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, to the next video, peace out. Y'all have a good one. Oh, what?